NAKIVO Backup and Replication is a fast, reliable, and affordable data protection solution for virtualized and cloud environments. In addition to features that help improve backup performance, save space, and improve reliability, the product allows for full automation of core tasks with policy-based data protection. The number of VMs handled by IT departments is constantly growing, making manual VM management an increasingly time-consuming and challenging activity. Policy-based data protection in NAKIVO Backup and Replication allows you to set up backup, replication, and backup copy policies. Once created, a policy protects all the VMs or instances that match policy rules, including the newly discovered items in your infrastructure. Policy-based data protection can make sure only relevant VMs are backed up or replicated, track changes in your environment without requiring any manual input on your part, automatically include new VMs and instances in existing jobs, save you time on data protection management in large infrastructures. Let me show you how policy-based data protection works. The feature is easy to use. All you need to do is select Policy from the View drop-down menu on the top left corner of the Backup, Replication, or Backup Copy job wizard. The Policy view allows you to filter items for a particular job using specified search criteria. Each policy is made up of rules. A policy can have one or multiple rules, each including different criteria to filter items for your data protection job in the most relevant manner. Each rule has a Search By drop-down menu that allows you to filter by one of the 9 parameters. For example, let's select VM name, keep Contains as the default search operator, and type WIN in the search criteria field. As you can see, 73 items match the specified criteria. All the VMs can be included if you leave this backup job as is, or you can choose to narrow down the scope by adding another rule. Simply click Add Another Rule and specify your additional criteria. For example, you could also filter out VMs by their location. Now, instead of 73 items, you have only one. It matches both rule number 1, which is based on VM name, and rule number 2, specifying the VM location. Once you have created a policy and defined the VMs you want covered, you can proceed to the next step of the backup job wizard as usual. You can add as many rules as you need to find specific VMs to include in a job. Once a policy-based job is created, NAKIVO Backup and Replication recognizes any newly added VMs with the same characteristics and automatically adds them to the existing job. The product automates data protection routines, adds flexibility, and saves you time. Download the full-featured free trial of NAKIVO Backup and Replication to test out the policy-based data protection functionality in your own environment.